This is a 2004 Subaru Forester. I don't know too much about the car, the tuning and all the specifications. I got it from a guy, Japanese guy. He did all the work on the car. He brought the body kit from Japan and installed it, and the car looks really cool. It's got a nice tint all around. It's got this stuff on the windows, which are actually really cool. Some nice decals, and it's got some cool floor mats. The seats I think are from 2003 Subaru STI. Very comfortable seats, some custom floor mats, and the car is very clean. The body is very nice and clean. These are ROTA light wheels. They're very light and they fit the car very good. The car has some fender flares, make it look like a white body kit. Actually, that was my original idea. I wanted to make the white body kit on the car, but I couldn't import it to Canada. They don't sell it to Canada, only in the States. So I have some nice 18-inch wheels, BBS RS with the 3-inch lip. So if somebody wants to do the white body kit, they can do it. That was my original idea. I'll be listing the rims separately. And I don't know a lot about the modifications. I'll try to list it. I think I have a little spec sheet from the previous owner. I had a sheet, he tuned it at 320 horsepower to the wheels. So this thing really pulls hard. It's got a massive intercooler. All this GRIMSPEED turbo thing, I don't know, I'm gonna list it in the listing because I'm not familiar with those. I know the radiator is Mushimoto, nice radiator. Steering rack has been replaced, all the brake pads and everything. The car drives very tight, very solid, and I just love how it looks. It looks really cool. I think all the grille and headlamps and fog lamps, everything is Japanese spec, different body kits. It doesn't look anything like the regular Forester, that's for sure. It's got some nice decals, some stickers. It looks like a cool Fast and Furious car, and it is fast.